everybody, my name is Sergey and welcome back to another episode of the best PowerPoint games. And today I've got an epic battle game. It's called Castle Crashers. And now let's jump into the game. So here's the main battle arena. We've got 4 players, Dragon Knight, Slime Monster, TP or Toilet Paper Warrior, and Candy Warrior. Each player has their own panel with buttons to shoot and also hearts. Altogether 10 hearts. Right here we've got a spinner with 6 outcomes: shoot, shoot, spin again, double shot, and miss. In the middle is a lava fire pit, and here is a question icon to go to the question slide. So at the beginning of the game you need to divide your students into 4, 2 or 3 teams, and when you're done you decide who goes first and then you spin the spinner. Or if you don't want to use a spinner, you actually can use physical dice in your classroom. Just write the same outcomes on your dice. Now player 1 spin the spinner, and then you need to choose opposite team or opposite player to shoot at. And let's say we're shooting at a TP Warrior, and we need to press on this poop button right here. And TP Warrior got -3 hearts. We need to press back and remove 3 hearts from him. Now next player spin the spinner. Another player got double shot. Now press, let's say, on a Candy Warrior. -2. And Dragon Knight. -2 as well. So to remove a heart, you just press on the heart on X or a number. It's all good. To shoot at the player, you need to use these buttons. Green button for green for Slime Monster, and a poop for the TP, and a candy and lollipop for the Candy Warrior. And like this, you're shooting at each other until one player survives. And after, when a player survives, you press on that player character to declare him the winner. Press on the character. What happens if a player loses? Let's remove all the hearts from one player. They will fall into this fire pit and disappear. I really do hope you enjoy this 3D perspective of the cannonball going from one player to another like this. Like they're really standing next to each other, and it's all smooth and awesome. Now let me show you how to modify the questions. You go to almost the last slide, and you've got all these letters. You need to select the blocker on top of the letter and insert action and hyperlink to the slide, let's say 76, the last slide. So to make more slides, you just copy this slide down, copy the whole slide and paste down, and another blocker assigned to that slide. And that's all, and you don't need to do anything except modifying these questions and answers. then save a PowerPoint and you will be good to go. I hope you enjoyed this awesome epic battle game. Give a like, subscribe and share for more free PowerPoint games for you, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.